Welcome back, traders. Today is quiz day. We've prepared 10 candlestick chart questions pulled directly from everything covered in your previous lesson on candlestick charts. Take your time, trust what you've learned, and do your best. Good luck. First question. What does the body of a candlestick represent? Is it A, the range between the opening and closing prices? B, the highest price only? C, the total number of trades? Or D, the volume of the asset? You have 10 seconds to record your answer. If you ever need more time, just pause the video. The correct answer is A, the range between the opening and closing prices. This matters because the body represents real market sentiment. It shows whether buyers or sellers were in control during that period. Question 2. If the closing price is higher than the opening price, what color is the candlestick usually? Is it A, red, B, blue, C, yellow, or D, green? You have 10 seconds to record your answer. The correct answer is D, green. A green candlestick shows bullish momentum because the price closed higher than it opened. Third quarter. What do the wicks on a candlestick show? Is it A, the average price? B, the highest and lowest prices during the period? C, the time frame duration? Or D, the trading volume? You have 10 seconds to record your answer. The correct answer is B, the highest and lowest prices during the period. The wicks mark the true extremes of price movement, showing how far buyers or sellers pushed the market during that time frame. Question 4. A red candlestick means, is it A, the price stayed the same? B, the closing price is lower than the opening price? C, the price increased? Or D, no trades occurred? You have 10 seconds to record your answer. The correct answer is B, the closing price is lower than the opening price. A red candlestick signals selling pressure because price ended the period lower than it began. 5. What is the main difference between bar charts and candlestick charts? Is it A, bar charts are not used in trading? B, candlestick charts only show closing prices? C, bar charts show more price information? Or D, candlestick charts use color to show price direction? You have 10 seconds to record your answer. The correct answer is D, candlestick charts use color to show price direction. Candlestick charts visually display bullish or bearish movement through color, making trends easier to spot. Question 6. Which 4 key prices does each candlestick display? Is it A, open, close, volume, high? B, volume, close, open, average? C, open, high, low, close? Or D, trade count, high, low, close? Take the next 10 seconds to choose your answer. The correct answer is C, open, high, low, close. These 4 prices form the complete structure of every candlestick, showing how price moved throughout the period. Remember the acronym OCHL. Question 7. What does a long wick on a candlestick usually indicate? Is it A, no price movement? B, a stable market? C, high price volatility? Or D, low trading volume? You have about 10 seconds to think it through. The correct answer is C, high price volatility. A long wick shows that price moved far from its opening or closing level, signaling strong pushback from buyers or sellers. Question 8. What does a green candlestick typically signal? Is it A, the market was flat? B, no price changes occurred? C, sellers pushed the price down? Or D, buyers pushed the price up? Bullish. Take a moment, about 10 seconds, to decide. The correct answer is D, buyers pushed the price up. A green candlestick reflects upward or bullish momentum, showing buyers were in control during that period. Question 9. Why do traders prefer popular time frames when reading candlestick charts? Is it A, more traders watch them, making patterns more reliable? B, they change the candlestick color? C, they display less data? Or D, they show larger price movements? You've got 10 seconds to make your choice. The correct answer is A, more traders watch them, making patterns more reliable. When more people are watching the same time frame, those candles matter more. Price reacts more consistently because lots of traders are making decisions from the same chart. Q10, your last test question. What does a candlestick's direction help traders understand? Is it A, the total number of trades? B, the asset's market cap? C, the time frame length? Or D, whether price moved up or down during the period? Use the next 10 seconds to lock in your answer. The correct answer is D, whether price moved up or down during the period. The direction shows if buyers were in control or sellers were in control, making it easy to see the overall movement at a glance. Congratulations, you just finished Day 13, Lesson 2. This is how real progress is made. Next up, hammers and shooting stars, powerful candlestick patterns every trader must know. Keep growing. You're leveling up with every lesson.